Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tina. I am here to show you a little bit. This is kind of an intro video with a couple of tips for those who are doing the Halloween craft along series that I've put together. So all of these products are in your box. I did unbox it, but they're all in your box. This is what I'm crafting along with for the 7 projects that I'm doing. So we have the Halloween magic paper, and there's 12 sheets of paper in here, along with a full sticker sheet. Just mental note for that when you're separating your papers. I thought this would be, kind of a good idea. I mentioned it before. I think I'm just going to show it right here. You want to remove this one right here. Let me go ahead and pull it out because it's kind of small on that picture, right? Okay. Then we have at least 7 projects planned with your kit. Okay, so, this kit, you get all the things. You get pocket cards, you get 12 sheets of paper, you get lots of fun, and just really great thing to work with. It's super cute. Look at this. Aren't they adorable? I was originally going to put a stamp with this, and then I was like, no, let's not. Let's do this basic and even save money. All right, so wait to see what we do with this. All right, we want to remove this. This one's really important as you're grabbing papers or you're doing anything. This is used for a project. One of these is used on a project. We're doing a cut this here. Yeah, so we have lots of things that we're using on projects and even some bonus projects. Now you're doing 7 with the kit, and then I'm sharing a bonus project that I'm doing. All right, so this one's really important to remove and set aside because we're using a good bit of it. And then the other one is we need to just cut the top off of, let's see, this one right here. You're going to cut the top of this off. And you'll have these 4 because we're using this one and maybe this one on another project. Okay, and then also included in your kit are 2 different kinds of twine for your projects. A lip balm. You'll know where I'm going with the lip balm. Brads. You'll have 2 boxes. You will have like an acrylic block or acrylic box, excuse me, that is clear. All right. And then you'll also have a box that's going to look like this. We're doing 2 boxes with this. And then you'll have an A2 card base and a slimline card base, because you guessed it, we're doing 2 cards as well. And then you'll have 11 sheets of paper. Now, the paper I'm matching with this, mix and match. Everything only has to be close enough. You don't need everything to be just so when you craft. Relax, give a little more freedom. But what I love about this, you have 1 sheet of white, and then you'll have all of this great, amazing mini dot paper. It's all so pretty. Look at that Halloween color palette. Mini dot paper, and boy, you will really see how it can shine, but also let your other paper shine as well. All right, so this is everything in your Halloween craft along box, and you will also have the option to do some bonus projects as well. Oh wait, that one's 2. I had 2 sets there. Okay, there we go. All right, if you guys are interested in following along the series, you can hit the playlist for the 2024 Halloween Craft Along. That's right here on the YouTube channel. This video is in it, so you should be easy to find, or you can go out to playlists. You can always feel free to leave me a comment. I'll be sure to get back with you. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe so that you can be notified on all the videos that are dropping in this series and others. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.